Welcome to part 67 of Learn Languages. Today we're learning prepositions of time. These are small words that tell us when something happens. Let's start with the three main ones: at, in, on. Use at for specific times. I wake up at 7 o'clock. The film starts at midnight. Also, at Christmas, at the weekend, at noon. Use in for longer periods. I was born in 1990. We go on holiday in August. It happened in the morning, in the evening. Also, in the 21st century, in winter, in spring. Use on for specific days and dates. I have a meeting on Monday. Her birthday is on the 15th of March. We met on a cold winter's night. Now let's look at for and since. Both are used with the present perfect. For describes a duration, a length of time. I've been studying English for 3 years. Since describes when something started. I've been studying English since 2021. 3 years equals duration. 2021 equals starting point. Now, during. During means throughout a period. I fell asleep during the film. Don't use your phone during class. Quick memory tip: 8 for times, in for months, years, on for days, for how long, since for when it started. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.